Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the ECG feature on your Garmin Fenix 8. First, ensure your watch has the latest software. Then, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. From there, find the Health and Performance section and tap on ECG. You will be guided through a few simple steps to activate the feature, including reviewing and accepting the necessary terms and conditions. This initial setup is crucial for accurate readings. To take a reading, wear your Fenix 8 snugly on your wrist, ideally your non-dominant one. Access the ECG app directly on your watch by pressing the top right button and selecting it from the menu. Next, gently place the index finger and thumb of your other hand on the metal bezel surrounding the watch face. It's important to stay completely still and quiet for the full 30 seconds while the device captures your heart's electrical activity. Once the 30-second recording is complete, your watch will display one of two primary results, either sinus rhythm or atrial fibrillation. A sinus rhythm indicates a normal, consistent heart rhythm. If it detects atrial fibrillation or a fib, this suggests an irregular heart rhythm. For a more comprehensive analysis and a shareable PDF report, simply open the Garmin Connect app on your paired smartphone. It's vital to remember that the Garmin Fenix 8 ECG app is not a medical diagnostic tool and cannot detect heart attacks. If you have any health concerns, always consult a qualified medical professional. For the most accurate readings, ensure your skin is clean and dry when taking a measurement. This feature is designed for informational purposes and general wellness tracking, providing insights into your heart's rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.